Alright, it's finally here. Just got a haul in from Wicked Brick. Took some time, but I figured we can open these bad boys up together. Let's go. So guys, my Wicked Brick display stands are finally here. I can't believe it. It took about 8 weeks or so. And the reason for that is because they make these per order. So there's not just a ton of these, sitting in their warehouse or in their shop getting ready to ship out. They're not just sitting on a bunch of these, right? So the good thing about that is that their quality control should be on point since there's just not a ton of these being made at once. So that's great news. I ended up purchasing the N1 Starfighter display stand, Millennium Falcon, TIE Bomber, and X-Wing. Yeah, and the X-Wing. So we'll be able to jump into these, check out the quality and all of that. Unfortunately, I only have the N1 Starfighter built at the moment, so we'll be able to see what that looks like on display, and the rest of them we'll be able to check out the quality and all of that. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so for the sake of time, I've actually already sliced open the packing tape, so that'd be easier for us to dive in. One of the things that I want to note is that the prices of these stands are actually not that bad. I have them written down right here. So for the N1 Starfighter is only around 21 bucks. The Millennium Falcon was $27.37. The X-Wing was $18.66. And the TIE Bomber was also $18.66. So it's really not too bad for the quality that I believe we're going to be getting here. So I'm super pumped about that. Let's dive into the first one. I'm not too sure which one's which because they're not labeled. I'm assuming the Millennium Falcon is the biggest box, but we'll see how that goes. So sliced open here, just pops open like that. Bam. Really nicely packaged. Put this down here. Nice. And it's bubble wrapped, so I don't have any concerns that this is going to be damaged or anything like that. And there's a lot of tape. Being that this is so well packaged, it's probably going to take me a while to dive into this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open all these up really quick. Open them up. I'm going to set them up just to save you and myself some time, and then we'll check them out together. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the display stands are all built out, let's check them out. One of the things I love the most about these displays is that they give them a section for the minifigs. And as we all know, the minifigs are one of the coolest parts of these Lego sets, and you're able to have them fully on display, front and center. So that's a nice little touch there. They are two-piece display sets, right? So you don't have to have them all hooked up together. If you want to add some separation depending on your situation in your bookshelf or wherever you're going to display it, you're able to do so, which is awesome. I love how the sections that are going to hold the ship are actually clear, and with that being clear, it's not going to take away from the actual ship itself and allow the ship to be really front and center. So yeah, guys, love these displays. Extremely happy with Wicked Brick and the quality. So now that we've seen all 4 display stations, let's check out what it's going to look like with the N1 Starfighter front and center. Let's check it out. Hey guys, if you're finding value in this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. So now that we have the N1 Starfighter ship here on display, I wanted to note a few things. One of the things that stuck out to me the most is how the display is actually on a tilt. And one of the things I noticed with that is, 1, you're actually going to save space on your bookshelf, and 2, you get to see all of the details at the top of the Lego set that you wouldn't be able to normally see if it was flat, right? The other thing is I noticed that it displays really nice and tall, but not so tall that I think that you're gonna have any issues on your bookshelf, so you should be good there. I love how, like I mentioned earlier, that the display is actually clear, so it's not going to take away from the ship itself. And obviously you've got the minifigs, right? The minifigs are front and center with that plaque. Absolutely love that. I mean, guys, honestly, if you're looking to display your Lego set and put them around the house or in an office or anything like that, I believe this is absolutely the way to go. You know, it's a quality set, it's not gonna break the bank, and I think it just looks dope. So let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. My name is Gianni V, and may the force be with you.